Alright guys, I got a 2021 RS7. Absolutely gorgeous. Nardo gray. Carbon ceramics. Front of this car just looks absolutely gorgeous. Quick little interior shot. RS mode on the steering wheel. Honeycomb stitching on the seats. The embossed RS logo. Dry carbon. The Alcantara. The red contrast stitching. The Bang & Olufsen with the Audi sport ring. It's got soft close. I'm just kind of showing you guys the back. USBs. Same perforated honeycomb stitching. All RS embossed. Again, the same dry carbon. Red contrast stitching. Bang & Olufsen speaker. The rear end looks absolutely gorgeous. Full export exhaust. Look at those fender flares. Nice and wide. Another RS. Has a kick to open. Nice RS7 rubber mats. You see the backs of the seats there.
This is the one I like.
Alright guys, just showing you a quick little breakdown. Nice little welcoming sound. Again, everything's touch. Alright guys, take a look at this. Got the ambient lighting. Again, the shift knob, the red contrast stitching, all the piano black inlay with all the dry carbon. And again, with your steering wheel, you got the RS mode, virtual dashboard. So you can have it in the minimized view off to the left there, or you can hit view and then it will make it bigger so you can have the big map, mobile device, music. And again, everything can be controlled right there from the steering wheel. Then with the RS mode, nice perforated wheel, kind of golf green on there.